I'm Kelly on behalf of Expert Village. I'm going to show you some tips and techniques that you can use to create a silver and gold holiday look. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to line our eyes with some cream liner. And I'm actually going to be using a color for her. It has a little bit of a gold flecks in it. So we're going to take a little bit of this on our skinny liner brush. And we're going to give her a really nice defined line right up into the lashes. If you look up for me, we're just going to do a little bit underneath her eye, right up under the lower lashes. Feel close for me. So upper lid, right up along the lash line. Close for me one more time. Sorry. Look up for me. And then we'll just do a little bit under her lower lashes. So that's how you will want to apply your liner.